crowdfunded ShutterGrip broke the mold, reframing the way that we interact with our smartphone cameras and inspiring a host of imitators. But we kept on innovating. We listened to our users, we refined the design, and we made the original even better with ShutterGrip 2. Most noticeably, we've improved the ShutterGrip's looks and ergonomics with a new metallic finish and a soft, non-slip grip to keep you in control at all times. Setup is easy. Rapid Bluetooth pairing means you can be up and running in a matter of seconds. And ShutterGrip 2 can be used in a variety of ways. You can use it as a camera grip, a video grip, or a stand. It even has a built-in selfie stick and a standard size tripod thread. The detachable Bluetooth remote means you can take the perfect shot even when you're not holding your phone. With multi-directional rotation, ShutterGrip 2 is the perfect tool for grabbing shots at tricky angles in portrait or landscape mode. And if you want to accessorize, the integrated cold shoe allows you to attach accessories like LED lights for night shooting. ShutterGrip 2 takes your video and still shooting to the next level. With enhanced functionality and unrivaled flexibility, this is the accessory that every smartphone creative needs in their pocket. So show us your support. Give us your backing, tell your friends, and let's move this concept into production.